What if the key to a revolution wasn't in a lab, but in the hands of one woman? She's about to unleash a hidden power, hiding in plain sight. But first, the old must be washed away, revealing layers of forgotten technology. What you're about to witness will redefine the meaning of ingenuity. As she begins the restoration, every surface is cleansed, prepared for a new purpose. The work moves from the exterior to the very heart of the machine, where the real challenge awaits. A careful teardown begins, like a mechanical surgery. Each part is meticulously removed. A puzzle in reverse. Patience and precision are her most essential tools. The parts are given a new life, washed clean of the past. The reassembly process demands intense concentration. Slowly, order is restored from chaos. Her hands move with a familiar, practiced grace. The engine's core is reborn, piece by painstaking piece. Final checks are made, ensuring a flawless resurrection. The moment of truth is near. With a turn of the key, the silence is broken. Success. Her focus is absolute, a master of her craft. She dissects the complex machinery with ease. In her hands, aged metal holds untold potential. She works with a quiet confidence. Her workshop, the world itself. A guiding hand appears, a shared knowledge passed on. The scars of time on the machine tell a story of neglect. But now it is a canvas for renewal. She carefully fits the restored pieces back into place. Every turn of the wrench is a deliberate step towards revival. The work requires both strength and a delicate touch. Small, crucial components are expertly installed. The machine's heart begins to beat once more. The moment of testing, a silent prayer for a roar of life. Weary but satisfied, she inspects her work. Even the tools are treated with respect, cleaned for the next challenge. The workshop is cleared, the project complete. A brief moment of rest, a reward for a job well done. But her work is never truly finished. A new task awaits. She seeks out forgotten parts, seeing treasure where others see junk. Her skills are not limited to one type of machine. A motorcycle is the next subject of her incredible talent. The cycle of repair and rebirth continues, a testament to her spirit. Now, creation takes a different form. Not just repair, but reinvention. Sparks fly as she welds, forging a new future from the old. The frame of a motorcycle becomes her new canvas. With intense focus, she binds metal to metal. The engine, the heart of the machine, is carefully lowered into place. This is where mechanics becomes an art form. Every wire, every connection is made with precision. A new form takes shape, resurrected and reimagined. She steps back, assessing the progress. With a critical eye, the final touches are applied, with the fire of the welder. The fusion of old parts into a new whole. And then her attention turns to another machine. a small tiller awaiting its transformation. She handles it with a powerful grace. The controls are deconstructed and refined, inspecting the inner workings for flaws and potential. She reinforces the machine, preparing it for hard labor. Her satisfaction grows as the project nears completion. Another component is skillfully integrated. Even the smallest parts are cleaned and cared for. A final polish before it is put to the test. She gives the machine a thorough inspection. The last piece is fastened, signaling the end of the build. A smile of triumph. From forgotten scrap to a powerful tool, the work begins with a single, rusted piece of machinery. With confidence, she begins to dismantle the old tiller. Her determination is etched on her face as she works. Now she transcends repair. She begins to fabricate. Her welder's torch becomes a creator's pen, writing in fire. She expertly installs the newly forged metal parts. Each part is cleaned, a ritual of respect for the machine. Protected and focused, she cuts and shapes raw steel. A blinding flash signals the fusion of elements. The custom frame is mounted and secured with care. She meticulously inspects every new connection and weld. The creative process is intense and all-consuming. She searches for the perfect tool for the next delicate task. A small part is fitted, a crucial piece of the larger puzzle. She steps back to admire the near-finished product. The machine is almost ready, a testament to her vision. Final adjustments are made. With a steady, experienced hand, she scrutinizes her work, ensuring its strength and integrity. The last custom piece is locked into place. One final check, confirming every detail is perfect. She stands beside her creation, a proud and brilliant innovator. On the dusty ground of her workshop, another project begins. The machine's heart is exposed, its secrets revealed to her. An astonishing hybrid emerges, a motorcycle fused with a tiller. She continues to refine her unique invention. From a simple toolbox, extraordinary creations are born. She measures and plans the next piece of the build. With fire and force, she molds metal to her will. Even the simplest tools, a hammer and nail, have their purpose. The grinder screams as she shapes another custom part. The wheel becomes a new anchor point for her design. The build continues, piece by innovative piece. Her focus never wavers. As she assembles her vision, the structure grows, a testament to her creativity. Her hands deftly connect the separate parts into a whole. She moves around the machine, a sculptor with her metal clay. The project is a marathon of skill and endurance. As she nears the end, the final form of her invention is revealed. She works on the final mechanical linkages. The final assembly is completed with care. It is finished, a unique machine, born from ingenuity. The invention is put to the test, performing its duty. And now she takes the controls, ready to work the land she has conquered. From the field, she returns to the workshop. A new wreck awaits. This abandoned motorcycle is her next patient. The process begins again, a cycle of deconstruction. She peels back the layers of decay to find the machine's soul. The bike is stripped down to its essential frame. Her movements are efficient and precise. Every screw and bolt is systematically removed. The engine, the most complex part, is carefully extracted. Her knowledge of mechanics is profound and intuitive. No part is too small or insignificant to escape her attention. She works with a relentless, quiet intensity. The bike is completely disassembled, its components laid bare. Now, inside the engine's core, the true restoration work begins. Slowly, she begins the reassembly. A phoenix from the ashes. Each piece is fitted back into its rightful place. The motorcycle begins to take shape once more. Her hands, though stained with grease, perform delicate work. The final pieces are put in place, the revival almost complete. The engine block, once a piece of scrap, awaits its rebirth. She begins the intricate process of bringing it back to life. Her workshop is a chaotic yet organized theater of creation. She works with a singular focus, blocking out the world. Her wrench moves with the precision of the surgeon's scalpel. The rear wheel is carefully removed for a detailed overhaul. Every component is laid out, ready for inspection. She delves into the wheels, core mechanics. A partner joins in, sharing in the complex task. This is more than a hobby. It is a way of life. In her open-air workshop, wonders are crafted. She continues her work on the engine, undaunted by the complexity. The engine is completely stripped down on her workbench. Her hands deftly manipulate the smallest of parts. The power drill whirs, a modern tool in a timeless craft. She works tirelessly, driven by a passion for mechanics. Each part is a testament to her meticulous nature. The engine teardown is almost complete. Now, a cleansing ritual. Each part is washed and renewed. The resurrected components lie clean, ready for reassembly. The engine is reborn, rising from the collection of clean parts. In her modest workshop, she performs mechanical miracles. Her focus is a tangible force, a quiet storm of concentration. Sweat beads on her brow, a sign of her tireless effort. She applies precise force to a stubborn, rusted bolt. She moves to the underbelly of the machine, tackling it from a new angle. Hair tied back, she is the image of focused determination. Working on the ground, she's completely immersed in the task. Her skillful hands make the complex procedure look effortless. She repositions the half-built machine for the next phase. With surprising strength, she removes the heavy front forks. The front wheel is detached, continuing the deep restoration. Her attention to detail is unwavering. Now the reassembly begins. The forks are reattached. Her experience is evident in every precise movement. The heavy front assembly is guided expertly back into the frame. A new component is added to the front wheel. The rebuild continues with meticulous care. She is bringing the machine back better than before. The front wheel is finally mounted, a major milestone. She conducts a full inspection of her work, ensuring perfection. She stands with her restored creation, a quiet, satisfied smile on her face. The cycle begins once more. With another abandoned machine, her attention shifts to a rugged tiller under a makeshift roof. She delves into the tiller's engine with her trusted wrench. The exhaust system is carefully detached. She holds the old part, contemplating its restoration. She consults her rusted toolbox, a treasure chest of potential. With great effort, she lifts the heavy engine to a better position. The label reads China Diesel, a hint at its origins. She examines a smaller piece of the mechanical puzzle. Another component is removed, the teardown continuing. Old fluid is drained, a necessary purge before the rebuild. She carefully prepares new fluids for the engine. The parts are bathed, a baptism for their new beginning. A brush cleans away years of accumulated grime. With gentle taps of a hammer, a part is seated. The bolts are tightened, securing the engine's new configuration. The components are reassembled. With the utmost care, she checks her work, ensuring everything fits perfectly. The final pieces of the engine are brought together. Tired but triumphant, she completes the engine restoration. The finished engine sits clean and ready, a masterpiece of salvage. She lays out her tools, preparing for the next masterpiece. The engine sits on a simple wooden plank, her operating table, a screwdriver in hand. She begins her work under the afternoon sun. The camera pans out, showing her humble yet effective workspace. She continues her work, a portrait of focused dedication, for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.